Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I will show you how to close your Payoneer account without any stress. So let's begin. Very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log into your Payoneer account. Having logged into your Payoneer account, next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to your Payoneer name right here. Click on here from your profile icon, then click on settings right here. Just like so, it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to profile settings. Take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down and then all the way down right here, and then make sure you click on close account. After click on close account, this is going to pop up. Are you sure you want to close your account? Read the terms of closing account. Once you are satisfied with the information, simply click on close right here, and your account and all data you have on Payoneer account is going to be automatically deleted from their server. It's as simple as that. And this is how to close your Payoneer account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a good like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about Payoneer topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.